Hello everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check for old friends on Facebook. So let's dive in. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon on the screen. This might be a 3 horizontal line stack in the bottom right corner depending on your device and Facebook version. Tap on that menu icon to reveal a list of options. Within the menu, navigate towards the top right corner, where you'll typically find a gear-shaped icon. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Inside the settings section, look for an option labeled Activity Log or something that mentions managing your activity history. Within the activity log, there should be a section dedicated to connections you've made on Facebook. This section might be labeled Connections or something similar. Look for an arrow next to the Connections section and tap on it to expand the options. Under Connections, click the drop-down arrow next to Friends. This will reveal a list of various friend-related actions, including Add Friends, Sent Requests, and the one you're looking for, Removed Friends. Selecting Removed Friends will display a record of everyone you've unfriended on Facebook. This list isn't just a collection of names. It also shows the date you removed each person, which can be helpful if you're trying to recall when you disconnected with someone. Additionally, you might see some associated information depending on how you removed them. For instance, if you removed someone while filtering friend requests, you might see the request they sent you. And there you have it. That's how you check for old Facebook posts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.